Ever stood in your kitchen wondering how to revive that stale bread or prevent the pot from boiling over? Well, there are simple hacks for that. Let's dive into the world of kitchen hacks that can make your life a whole lot easier. Picture this. You've got a loaf of bread that's past its prime. Don't toss it. Simply sprinkle it with water and pop it in the oven. Voila, you've got fresh, warm bread ready to be enjoyed. Now onto that pesky pot. We've all had those moments where the water starts to boil over and creates a mess. No more. A wooden spoon placed over the pot will save the day by preventing the water from spilling over. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember these hacks. With these clever kitchen hacks, you can save time and reduce waste. Chaos is the enemy of every home, but with the right organization hacks, you can easily transform your space. Let's dive right in. Consider drawer dividers. They are a simple way to sort your cutlery, stationery, or whatever else that's been creating a mess in your drawers. It's a small change with big impact, making sure everything has a place. Next, labeling containers. This might seem like an extra step, but you'll thank yourself later. With labels, you can easily identify what's inside each box, jar, or basket. No more guessing games when you're in a hurry. Lastly, don't forget about your vertical space. Hanging organizers are a fantastic way to clear your countertops and shelves. They can hold everything from your spices in the kitchen to your toiletries in the bathroom. Organization is your home's secret weapon against chaos. Utilize these hacks to declutter and simplify your life. In this digital age, mastering tech and productivity hacks is not just beneficial, it's essential. Let's dive into the world of keyboard shortcuts, task batching, and digital decluttering. Imagine navigating through your software with the agility of a seasoned gamer. That's the power of keyboard shortcuts. They not only speed up your work, but also reduce the strain on your hands. Next up, task batching. It's a simple yet effective technique where you group similar tasks together and tackle them in one go. This reduces the mental load of constantly switching gears and boosts your productivity. And finally, digital decluttering. In our tech-saturated world, digital clutter can be just as overwhelming as physical clutter. Organize your files into folders, label them clearly, and make it a habit to clear your cache and cookies regularly. This will help maintain the speed and efficiency of your devices. Master these tech and productivity hacks to navigate the digital world with ease and increase your efficiency. Life hacks aren't just about physical tasks. They can also enhance your well-being. Let's delve into lifestyle and wellness hacks that can elevate your everyday life. Consider the power of mindfulness techniques. Deep breathing exercises or a few minutes of meditation can help you stay centered and focused amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's like a mini vacation for your mind that you can take anytime, anywhere. Next, let's talk about meal planning. By planning your meals ahead, you not only save time, but also make healthier food choices. It's a win-win situation where you nourish your body and free up time for other tasks or hobbies. Lastly, establishing a consistent exercise routine can work wonders for your body and mind. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity workout, regular exercise can boost your energy levels and improve your overall health. Embrace these wellness hacks to boost your energy, improve overall health, and make healthier choices. Don't just take our word for it. Here are some testimonials from viewers who have implemented these life hacks. First up, we've got Sam. Since using these life hacks, my mornings are less chaotic and I feel more organized throughout the day, says Sam, who's found new ways to streamline his daily routines. Emma, another viewer, shares a similar experience. These tips have been game changers. From tech shortcuts to wellness routines, I've noticed a significant improvement in my daily life, she enthuses. In a nutshell, these life hacks, kitchen tricks, organization methods, tech and productivity shortcuts, and wellness routines are all about making your life easier and more efficient. They're not merely shortcuts, but tools for a smarter, more streamlined life. So remember, life hacks are tools that empower us to live smarter, not harder. Use these practical solutions to make life's challenges more manageable and enjoyable.